ever wondered what the best rugby game on Roblox is? Well, you'll find out in this video, as I'm gonna be playing different rugby games and ranking them on Roblox. Here we go. Now, first game is still a rugby player. So I'm now in the game, and it seems to be just another Steal a Brainrot copy, but with a twist. You see, there's no other players, so you can't actually steal Brainrots from them. I have a few questions for the games. Where is my base? Does it have a toilet? Because I'll need to use the bathroom. I need the toilet paper. I need it. And does it have Roblox? Does it have the absolutely goated game? Does it have food? Now, seeing as I can't find my base, I might as well just take this random guy to show me where my base is. And why is Bruce posture and speed just like me after waking up and going to school? So these are questions you need to ask yourself. And how is Bro able to go through buildings? You know what? This guy might be slow, but he's surely indestructible. And I'm just gonna keep you here. Maybe I'll use your money to get myself McDonald's if I'm feeling generous. Okay, so we're here taking more people to my base to give me money for McDonald's. I'll take you, I'll take you. Now let's go back. Alright, I'm back. So as you can see, I've got a lot more people to give me money, and I'll take this cringe to a place. And that place is this place. What I'm gonna try and do is I'm gonna try and combine different people, because I saw that you can fuse people together with that which is hot. So I just take this guy. Put you here. Now there's two. Go back. I'll be just back to speed up the process. Alright, so I just put all the people together and I'm gonna fuse it. And it seems to me that I have to wait some time, which I don't have. So we'll have to do it in a future video. If I get like 10 views and let's say 5 likes, then I'll be very happy. Otherwise, there isn't really a lot to this game. You can check the index and everything. Still rugby player, I'll give you like 3 out of 10. Right, so we're now gonna be checking out Rugby Blitz. Rugby Blitz, the best and most addictive rugby game on Roblox. I'll be the judge of that. Okay guys, so I found this place that just conveniently said stand on to play. What is the controls? I don't know, because I'm not on PC. So stand on to play, let's go. Wait, what is this? What is this? No, why is it taking me backwards? Oh, and I lost. Error, what do you mean? Let's see. Okay, second attempt. Go, go, go. Oh, is this just the Subway Surfers of rugby? It looks like it. How did I just go through them? I don't know. I'm speed, boy. I'm speed. Listen, there's more gaps at this place than there is in a Bulls defense. Like, actually, bruh. Now, let's see if I can make it. How long can I do this? Come on. Come on. No. No. Error again. Like, come on. And who are you? Talk. Hey, my little mate. Okay. That was random. Okay, so guys, there's an arrow pointing that way that says gym this way, and another arrow saying speedway over here. So I'm just gonna go to the gym real quick. Be right back in a sec. Okay, guys, so I found this lady along the way, and I'm just gonna talk to her real quick. You know what I love about rugby? It teaches so much about life, responsibilities, and friendship. We all play rugby. We're all family. Yeah, never mind. I'm not reading all that. Let me just walk up and down for fun of it. Finally, I'm gone. I regret my decision by talking to her. Be right back in a sec. Okay, guys, I have finally arrived at the gym RB thingy. Now, let me just enter this place, and wow, there's a ton of treadmill thingies. Let me just go on here. Nothing's happening. What do you mean? What do you mean? What is happening? Why can I do nothing, bro? Oh, yes, the real treadmill thingies. That was like a bicycle thing. Let's see. I I broke the system. I'm faster than Flash. I'm faster than Jason Colby because I can outrun a treadmill. See, there I did it again. Okay, guys, so I just found this convenient arrow that says Gym RB, so I'm just gonna check it out. Now, yes, how did I glitch through it? I was just about to check it out. Now, let's see what's here. Yes, a punching bag. Hey, you want trouble with me? I will put you 6 feet under the ground, boy. You want trouble, huh? Watch it. Watch it. You too, huh? Uh, uh let's just leave this punching bags alone. I'm gonna lift a few barbells, and this isn't even lifting. It's like levitating above my neck. I can't believe it. Like actually, and what the hell is this thing? And I can't even interact with these stuff. Okay, so I found the actual gym RB and I'm gonna do it. Now, let's go. Bruh. I'm humiliating myself on screen. What? I can't even parkour if my life depended on it. I will now be checking out the Blitz Stadium. Let's head inside, boys. Let me just see. Throw the ball. This seems too complicated for me. Let me just head inside and see what happens. So I'm here where I have to pick up the balls that I have to kick. So let's just see what happens. Wait, what did I just do? It seems where you tap is where the ball goes, at least for you mobile users out there. You computer users, there's a tutorial for you guys, so don't hesitate. And I just made a conversion from the back of the post. I can't believe it. I'm the first man in history to do it. Not even Andre Pollard could do it from the back of the post. Oh my word. Let's kick. And I did it again. I'm absolutely coated. The Springboks should already go and select me for the national team. Rugby Blitz, pretty solid game. I'll give you like a 6 out of 10. Thank you for watching. Part 2 coming out soon. See you in part 2. That seems to be all for this game. Part 2 will be coming out soon. I'll give Rugby Blitz a pretty solid 7 out of 10. Bye!